What's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video we are going to be doing our Boxycharm November unboxing. This box now retails for $25. This month I will say I was a little cheater. Usually I like to wait and I open it up when I do the video so you guys can get my full impressions, but this time around I could not wait. I was so excited about this box. So this is what the new box looks like. It now has like the hot pink. Oh, the little pamphlet just fell off, but this is what we got. The month's theme was stellar, and I got variation box number 20, just if you guys are curious. So first off, it does have like the little sample for the foundation, since they are changing it up, I think, for the best. They are now going to be adding complexion items to it, so that is awesome. So I got this little sample guide. I'm gonna go ahead and start off with the first item that I have in my box. So the first item that I got in my box are these two Boxycharm face brushes. This is what they look like. They come in a little pouch, which is so very cute. I would definitely use this as a little makeup bag, or just to throw stuff in there. I would still get a good use out of it. This is what the actual brushes do look like. They are very soft, matte, velvety. They feel like very luxurious. They look like very fancy looking brushes, like very unique, definitely very unique. I have nothing that's even similar to this at all. So the first one is the big one. I would say that it's probably like a powder brush. It's very, very soft. It has the oval shape to it. It's very densely compacted, but it's also very soft, so I would probably use this for a foundation. I'm pretty sure that it's good for liquid or powders. And I love how it has like this little dent, because you could use it like as if it's a pencil or a pen, whatever. It's very easy to hold. So that's the first one. The second one is exactly the same as the first one, but it is a little bit smaller. Same thing. It feels very luxurious. It's very matte. It does have like the little Boxycharm logo. This one is a little bit smaller, so I would probably use this like to contour or to bronze up like the face. They're very cute, very unique. That was the first item that I got in my box. The next thing I got was this right here. Clearly I opened it. I haven't used it. I did just open it though. This is a Dose of Colors liquid matte lipstick. I got mine in the shade Flirty. This is what she looks like. Flirty is so super pretty. She's like a nudie pink mauve type of a color. The name definitely goes with her, and it is very, very nice. That is so cute. That's like an everyday shade. Very pretty. I will definitely put this little flirty thing to use. Then after that, I think I chose this one. I'm not sure. I don't even remember anymore. I think I had got an email and they gave me an option to choose this and something else. So I think I did choose this one. This one is the Juice Beauty, the Organic Solution. It's a stem cellar anti-wrinkle aging treatment. This is what the little packaging looks like, and it's so interesting, but I think I will put this to use. So I guess you just rub it under your eye for anti-aging. So yeah, this is pretty cool. This is interesting. I will definitely use this in the night before I'm going to bed. I'm digging that applicator. That's pretty cool. Pretty unique, I would say. Very unique things in this box. I should just say that. And then we also got these masks. I'm not such a huge fanatic of masks. That's just not my thing. I just don't like the discomfort of applying them to your face, and they're cold. I just don't like anything that's not comfortable to me. So these are the Vita masks. I got 2 of them. I'll probably give these away to my sister. But these are morning Google eye masks. So this one's for the eyes. Oh, I guess they're both for the eyes. They're just 2 different ones. But yeah, we got 2 eye masks. And then the last but not least, I believe everybody was going to be getting this Celestial Thunder palette by Dominique Cosmetics. which is so super gorgeous. I have nothing from Dominique Cosmetics, and I know that they have her at Sephora. I work at Sephora, but I don't have any of these eyeshadows or anything from her line, so I'm very excited to get these. Oh my god, this color is just so beautiful and so bright and vivid. This orange, this blue, like I am excited to get into this palette. And it has the mirror in the back as well, which is so awesome. I think that's it, you guys. This is it for my Boxycharm. It was box variation number 20. I hope that you guys like this video. If so, please give me a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe if you're not already. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.